Hello, welcome to the Oracle PL SQL Fundamental Level 1 course. My name is Tim Miles and I'll be your instructor. Now, before we get started, I want to point something out to you. Many people believe that if you're going to take a Level 1 course, it's going to be very simplistic, you're not going to learn very much. And I'm here to tell you that that is not the case for this particular course. We have teamed up with Sedaris Training and we are using their courseware to make a quality Oracle product. And in this course, as you can see behind me right here, we are going to cover a lot of material. And this is material that you do not want to miss. If you are unfamiliar with the PL SQL language, you must take this course for you to be efficient in the Level 2 course or in the tips and tricks in the optimizing. So let's talk about what we're going to learn in this course. The first thing we're going to do is talk about how to set up your system so that you have the exact same data, you have all of the tools available to you on your system so you can follow along if you so choose. We're then going to review the different database tools available to us. We're going to talk about SQL Plus and the SQL Developer. Both of these tools are going to be available to you after we have done our setup. Then after that is where we're going to get into the meat and potatoes. We're going to learn about the PL SQL language features, some of the things that you can do in this language. We're then going to talk about how to actually construct a PL SQL program. And this entails working with our declare clause, the begin clause, and the exception clause. So I'm going to show you how to declare variables, how to actually write the code that will be processed in your PL SQL script, and also how to test for any exception that might occur so that your system will run efficiently, and in the event of an error, it will exit out gracefully and possibly even tell you and your user a little bit more detail about what might have happened. Then we're going to learn how to create explicit cursors, which is a little bit more advanced, but it's something that you really need to understand. And then we're going to finish everything off with understanding nested blocks and also how to review declared subprograms. Now the last two we kind of breeze over a little bit, but I want to plant that seed in this course so that you will understand how we can start working with nested blocks and also understand the subprograms so that when you do go to the Level 2 course, you are going to be an effective programmer. So what I want to point out to you is that we're going to cover all of this in this course, and there are exercises for you to follow along with. There are the samples for you to follow along with. And if you want to write your own, you may. But believe me, after this course, you will understand PL SQL and you will be an effective programmer and ready for Level 2. So let's get ready.